you guys. Okay, so here we go. You know, a lot of the times I see some pretty interesting stuff, but then there's some other stuff that's even beyond interesting. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. Actually, even better yet, I have the owner here of, well, have you guys ever heard of a Boonie Bug? You guys are gonna see one right now, and the owner's actually gonna give us a quick tour. So stand by, here we go. This is gonna be a trip. Bus and stuff. All right, you guys, here we go. I am with Dave from the famous Bus and Stuff. What's happening, dude? Hey man, this is a real treat, and I thought I'd take advantage of the fact that you happen to cruise by, and figured we could share this amazing car with everybody watching. Tell us about it, dude.
This is well, it's built on a 1960 combi bus, VW bus chassis. Originally the plans were in Popular Mechanics in the early 70s, so you buy a set of plans and blueprints, get a VW bus and build one of these.
And cut the hell out of it?
Yes, yes. So they're all one off. It's called a Boonie Bug, and
wow.
you're supposed to take them camping. So the
original
plan was to take them out to the boonies, load them up with a ton of gear, and have a good time.
Wow, look at this thing. So this whole thing, I mean, you would build it from scratch, huh? Would they? I wonder if they would send you just panels and then the cross braces, or what?
Yeah, so you take the bus, and you chop it down to nothing, and then you shorten the bus.
Oh my God.
And then you make these hoops here.
Wow.
And then you have your platform, and then once you have your platform, you cover the whole thing with these 1-inch thick fiberglass boards, and then it's all fiberglassed in. So this thing's like an ice chest inside. It really is, and it's lightweight, 1 ton, so it carries a ton of gear.
Wow.
The Boonie was found in New York.
What?
Yes, in a barn in New York in 2013.
Wow.
It went through a few hands, worked its way to California, and I got a phone call about it, went and looked at it, and all of a sudden I became the owner of a Boonie Bug. So it was a ton of work to get it to this point.
Was it really?
A ton of work to get it to this point.
Wow.
A lot of work to make it look this.
Now I know of only one other one that was out in Joshua Tree. That's the only other one that I know of, dude. I've never seen any other ones.
That one's really nice. That one's really nice.
And
Used to be yellow.
that one's been here too.
That one was here too.
Yeah.
Over here at Roth Vintage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no, this is super cool, dude. So the dash is fiberglass as well. Nothing left over from the regular
there's
bus.
oak under there.
Okay.
And then they fiberglassed over it, and it was all covered in yellow shag at one time.
Wow. Look at that.
So Gia clock, you know.
The steering column still attaches with the
Still got a bus steering column.
Oh, that's funny.
I put an adapter and this cool wheel on it, but you can see the bus floor in here still, and the e-brake and the shifter and the heater knob.
Yep. Look at that thing, dude. Look at this. I mean, it's kind of a trip actually walking around and looking at the doors and just the overall construction of it. Obviously.
Check it out. The doors open like this.
Oh, dude.
You know.
Gullwing style.
Yeah. Like Dumbo doors. Like it's gonna fly away. I need to get the. You know, get the
the shocks.
The shock or the latch, so I can get in and out.
Yeah, look at that.
A little easier.
So, I mean, I'm just curious, man. How often are you just itching like crazy after driving this thing from fiberglass being inside your skin?
Well, it's got no windows, so it all blows out.
That's awesome. Now, tell me about the wheels, dude. Kragers, huh?
Yeah.
What size are they?
I don't remember.
God, they look like 15 by.
Well, they're 15
10s
and 15 11 and a halves or something. I don't know. I bought a bunch of sets and took a bunch of sets to get it together on a budget. You know what I mean?
Right.
So the old transmission was welded in, so we had to cut the spring plates off.
Wait, the transmission was welded in?
Yeah. It was
oh, awesome. Okay.
Like heavily welded, where we had to cut the spring plates off to get the transmission out. So it's got new spring plates, new transmission.
Okay.
Had to build a motor for it out of spare parts that I had.
So is this a 2332 with 48s? What are we looking at?
Sure.
What do we got?
I don't know. It's probably a 1600 with some genuine Weber 40s on there.
Oh, right on.
Yeah, nothing,
wow.
You know,
okay.
Just stuff I had laying around.
So did the wheels come off the ground in the front or what? And look at that exhaust. Dude, that thing is wicked looking.
Yeah, that's it. I got that
What is
from
that?
Russ at Old Speed. It's a tri-mill, old tri-mill. It's for a thing.
Oh,
It's a
wow.
thing
Yeah,
exhaust,
look at that.
So, I mean, I'm really building it like on a budget.
Right?
You know, I don't
Look at that
have
back
it
hatch.
like that, you know. So eventually I'll get some paint on it.
I think it looks pretty cool like this, you know?
Yeah.
What color are you going to go, though, if you paint
I
it?
like the blue. You know, I really like the blue. It seems like a lot of them are red. There's a couple out there.
Okay.
You know, I mean, you could look up the hashtag or Google Boonie Bug and you'll find some pictures of some others.
Dude, that thing is super cool, though. I dig it. I mean, it's a lot of fun, and I'm sure you get tons of looks,
Well,
especially without a windshield.
Yeah, right. Yeah. I really haven't taken it out that much.
Uh-huh.
It took, you know, it took a lot of work to get it this far, and it's a side project, so.
That's pretty neat, man. I think it's really cool. You know, it's funny with all the cars that you see today. You know, just from Teslas to just, I mean, hypercars and everything, and just, you know, all these modern cars and everything. It's always kind of a trip to actually see something like this because, let's face it, dude, you are the one that stands out.
Well, I mean, I find when I saw it, I was just amazed when I saw it that someone built this in their garage from a set of plans. It's not a body that you put on a pan, which is impressive in its own.
Right.
Like someone made this door, you know. So the things I like about this one is the taillights are bitching.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at how he did the taillights. Look at all this extra work that he did, you know what I mean? And he made all this cool metal here. And he made a big cover for it, but I like the chrome motor, so I'm running
Yeah.
it, you know.
I've seen that cover. It's a little boxy,
It's
right?
a nice gas door, and so I really like that. They managed to use the original gas
That's
door.
cool. Very
So
cool.
I need my church key to open it.
Dude, that's hilarious. I mean, it's like
Yeah.
everything else is so open,
You know.
but yeah, we'll still go ahead and.
So those are things that I really like about
That's
this
funny.
build, you know. I mean, he made this whole door, and that's a bus
Oh yeah.
cargo
look at that,
door mechanism on in here, you know.
yeah. Wow.
So it does need a church key. It's a 1960.
That's cool, dude.
Yeah, those are like 12s on the back
Yeah.
and 10s in the front, I think.
They do look pretty big, but that thing is cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, you guys, if you ever see Dave cruising around in this, you got to stop and take a look for yourself because this thing's a trip, man. And maybe when that seat gets bolted down, we'll go for a fun little hot lap in it, huh?
Yeah, well, we'll get some.
You took me for a hot lap in that other little car you had, dude. And I thought we were gonna
the
fly out of that thing.
Yeah, the humbug.
Yeah, the humbug.
Yeah. So the Boonie Bug and the humbug. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how this happened.
I don't know,
I
dude.
want it with this kind of stuff, but
You're the fiberglass king.
well, I got metal cars too.
I know, but you got plenty of fiberglass. I like it. I dig it.
You know, it's fun. So
Very
I
cool.
mean, I'll get some more body work done on it, and definitely gonna plush out the interior.
Cool. All
You
right.
know, I'll make some seats that swivel. Or
I like it, dude. More to come. More little dingleberries too.
yeah, no
huh?
hurries,
Like it.
but I'm in a hurry. But we'll get it in there.
Very cool. Right on, man. There's a view from the top.
Yeah, this comes off.
I dig it. Oh, look at that. Wow.
You know, you can take that off.
That's cool.
Got a cool Venturi vent up there. Just a lot of cool details, you know.
It's definitely cool. Well, awesome, man. I dig it. Thanks for the tour, dude. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, man. We'll catch you later. See ya.
Thanks. Bye, Eddie.